Hello everyone, welcome in this new video. So today our topic is which are the best use of solar panel. So I will show you what is the best uses of solar panel. So kindly watch the video till the end. Solar panel have a wide range of applications and can be used in various ways to harness the power of the sun. Here are some of the best uses of solar panels. First, residential solar power. Installing solar panel are residential rooftop allow homeowners to generate their own electricity and reduce their reliance on the grid. Solar power system can provide clear and renewable energy for running appliances, heating water and powering lights in the home. Second, commercial and industrial. Commercial and industrial appliances. Solar panels can be used in commercial and industrial settings to offset electricity costs and reduce the environmental impact of operation. Many businesses install solar panels on their rooftop or in open areas to power their office, manufacturing factory or warehouse. Third, off-grid power supply. Solar panels are excellent solution for remote location or areas with limited access to electricity. Off-grid system use solar panels to generate electricity that can be stored in batteries for the uses during the night or the cloudy days. Provide power in grid cabins, remote village or during outdoor activities like camping and hiking. Fourth, solar water heating. Solar thermal panels can be used to heat water for domestic or commercial use. These panels are capture the sun energy and transfer it to water provider, providing and cost efficiently to environment friendly alternative and traditional water heating methods. Solar power lighting. Solar panel can power outdoor lighting systems such as street light, garden light and security light. These systems store energy during the day and use it illuminate the surrounding at night, eliminating the need of grid electricity and reduce the energy cost. 6. Solar power pumping. Solar panels can be used to power the water pump for irrigation in agriculture settings. The application is especially benefit in remote area where access to electricity is limited, providing a sustainable and relatable source of power irrigation system. Solar power vehicles. Solar panel can be integrated into electric vehicle to harness sunlight and convert into electricity for powering the vehicle battery. While solar panels on car may not fulfill charge the battery, they can help extend the range and reduce the need of grinding charging. 8. Solar power charging station. Solar panels can be installed in public space to create charging stations for electric vehicles. This station allow electric vehicle owners to charge their vehicle using clean, renewable solar energy, promoting sustainable transport options. These are just few examples for the best usage of solar panels. The versatility of solar energy makes it suitable for the wide range of the appliance offering clear and renewable power solution for various needs. Thank you for watching.